There's this old and popular saying of drinking red wine for good health, and this is largely because of resveratrol. Resveratrol is an organic compound that is present in red wine and to a much lesser degree in white wine as well, that potentially has cardiovascular benefits. We have to say potentially because the assumption is that you are drinking red wine in moderation. And what does that mean? That means that if you are a woman, no more than 5 fluid ounces, which is around 150 ml of red wine per day should be taken. And if you are a man, 2 servings of that per day is the maximum. The reason is if we go overboard, the risks associated with red wine drinking can outweigh the benefits. Of course, the high alcohol blood volume can impact our liver. It can lead to hepatic steatosis, which is fatty liver, and knock on wood, even liver cirrhosis, which is liver failure. Red wine also contains sulfites, which can trigger asthma attacks, and tooth enamel erosion can also occur among those who really drink wine heavily.